through the iPhone. And as I'm walking, trying to get a better angle, a closer look at this water, I can feel the wind pushing me away. Look at the waves. Wow. Crushing into the gates. Fierce power and force.
Andy, take it easy, girl. I mean, you know, I know you want to touch me, but hold on.
As you guys saw, Sandy is one crazy chick. As soon as I said her name, she just threw herself and splashed herself right at me. I'm like, oh my God, what is she doing? But look, be safe, eat a cupcake, and have sex. Do whatever it takes to relax. Because everything is gonna be alright. Live from the NYC, this is Andres saying good night.